A complete guide to your newborn's body. A newborn baby is a magical being to look at. From the fuzzy outline in your ultrasounds to a living human of flesh and bones created by you is magical. While each baby has their own brand of magic, there are some common basics which you can learn beforehand. In this video, we will tell you about some normal characteristics in your newborn's body. Number 1. Baby's proportions. The initial length of a full-term baby is around 19 to 20 inches, weighing between 2.5 to 4.5 kgs. Of course, depending on how early your baby arrived, the expected measurements are likely to change. Another thing you might notice is how the baby's head is larger in proportion to their body. You would be surprised to know that at birth, a baby's head is 1/4 of their total body length. Number 2. Flattened nose and conical head. If you have had a vaginal delivery, then you may notice that the baby has a cone-shaped head or even a squashed nose. Don't worry, this is because the baby's skull bones are flexible to make their journey through the birth canal comfortable. Hence, they may look a little flattened initially, but will return to normal with time. Number 3. Covered in vernix caseosa. Babies are also covered in a greasy white substance known as the vernix caseosa, which protects them from coming in contact with the amniotic fluid when they are in the womb. Early-born babies have more vernix, while later-born babies have less to none of this vernix. Even after birth, vernix continues protecting your baby's skin and might also help them in latching for breastfeeding. Hence, the World Health Organization has recommended delaying the first birth for at least 6 hours to preferably 24 hours after birth. Number 4. Skin color. Your tiny one has thinner skin, so it will have a pinkish tint due to the blood vessels running underneath. Regardless of their true skin color, it can take up to 6 months for their permanent skin tone to set in. Number 5. Hair. Some babies are born with a head full of hair, while others might have a light fuzz or even fully bald. Even those born with a lot of hair start losing it in the first few months, after which newer hair will grow. As for body hair, early arrivals are likely to still have the fuzzy layer of lanugo prenatal hair covering their body, which will then fall off in the first few weeks. Number 6. Eye color. Just as your baby's skin color will change with time, so will their eye color. At birth, your baby might have blue or grey eyes due to a lack of pigment. As time passes and your baby gets exposed to light, this will change to their actual eye color. If your baby is born with dark brown eyes, then that color is likely to stay the same even later. Number 7. Baby's sense of sight. Babies have a close range of sight, which means that they can only focus on objects near to them. Around 8 to 12 inches away, they will grow to love focusing on your face and staring back into your eyes. Initially, your baby's eye movements will be uncoordinated, but they will soon be able to track movements with their eyes. Number 8. Baby's sense of touch. Your baby loves the comfort that comes with touch. Cuddling with them or holding them close will soothe them. You can even swaddle them in a blanket during nap time. But make sure to stop doing it once your baby is old enough to roll over. Keep an eye on them while they sleep and make sure they have enough room while swaddled to bend their legs up and out at the hips. Number 9. Baby's sense of hearing. Your baby is born ready to listen to the sounds of the world outside. Talk to them so that they can become familiar with your voice and how words are formed. It will come in handy when it is their turn to speak. Your baby might also find the white noise of a fan or radio helpful when going to sleep. Number 10. Baby's sense of smell. Your baby has a very good sense of smell and will love your scent. This will also help them find their way to your breast during feeding time. Number 11. Baby's sense of taste. Your baby's sense of taste will help them during feeding time. As they suck milk, babies also tend to prefer sweeter things over sour ones. Number 12. Baby's reflexes. One of the most incredible things about a newborn are their reflexes. As young as your baby is, these reflexes help them navigate their way through the new world. Number 1. Grasping reflex. This reflex acts up when you touch your baby's palm with a finger, in response to which their fingers will curl around it. Number 2. Rooting reflex. This reflex acts up when you stroke their cheek or side of their mouth. In response, your baby will turn their head in the direction of the touch, with their mouth open. Number 3. Sucking reflex. This reflex helps your baby attach their mouth to your nipple and areola so they can suck the milk properly. This will be useful once you get them in the pacifier habit. Number 4. Moro reflex. This is baby's startle reflex in response to a stimulus, such as a loud noise. Baby will extend their arms, legs and fingers, arcing their back. Their head will draw into their chest with their fists clenched. Number 5. Protective reflex. This reflex protects baby from suffocation, making them swipe at something covering their face. Number 6. Babinski reflex. This reflex activates when you stroke the sole of your baby's foot, making their big toe bend upwards and backwards towards the top of the foot while the other toes flare outwards. Number 7. Stepping reflex. This reflex activates when you hold your baby upright with their feet in contact with the surface. In response, your baby's feet will start moving as if walking or dancing. Number 8. Tonic neck reflex. This reflex is also called the fenching reflex. It activates when you lay your baby on their back and turn their head to one side. Your baby will assume a fenching stance with the limbs extending on the side they are facing, while the other arm and leg will be flexed, with the fist clenched. We hope you found our video extremely useful and help you take care of your tiny one the right way. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel. For more content, visit our website www.thevoiceofwoman.com. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and let your voice be heard.